everyone, this is GoTo1 here and welcome back to my channel. Hold on, let me turn off my AC. Alright. So for this video I'm going to be reacting to Infected Rain. It was an Orphan Soul by Infected Rain. Yeah. So I've never heard of this band before. It was in my recommended on YouTube. So I just figured why not, let's go ahead and just react to this for you guys. So, and yeah, I had my AC on. It's like 50 some degrees outside. It's like 56 degrees or whatever, but it's winter time, so I don't know why it's more. I want it to be cold. I get hot so easily. So like I'm burning up. But let's hop right into this reaction. Alright, so this is Infected Rain by Orphan Soul. Or Orphan Soul by Infected Rain. Let's get done doing my reaction. Or my review to Devour Food. Let's see what this is going to be like. Also, if you guys like hummus, I highly recommend the Supremely Spicy Hummus from Sabra. It's amazing if you like hot food. But that's what I'm going to be snacking on during this reaction. So let's get back into it. My bad. Hold on, it's not loud enough in my ears. Alright, so far, I'm not, like, surprised by the song too much right now. I like the softer part of it, honestly. Like, she got a good voice when she sings like that. I don't know, I really like Ginger a lot, and they don't remind, I mean, they kind of remind me of them, but they're not, I guess it's Infected Rain. They're not as good as Ginger, so. Over the Top's one of my favorite songs of the past year, so. You see, that part right there is good. That sounds good. Cool cut. She got some cool tattoos.
I'm done drowning in his tears of sorrow, suffocating in his endless hollow, suffocating, burning in his freezing, scary silence. I'm getting tired, I know I'm waiting for something.
Okay, that was Orphan Soul by Infected Rain. I didn't hate it. I didn't like love it, like Over the Top by Ginger. Like that song I listen to every day, wouldn't get tired of it. Oh hell, this is 3 years old. Feel like fans of Ginger also love this band. It's alright. Well, I'm really late to the party on this one, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you guys are having a good day. And yeah, other than that, I'm gonna do these Eminem songs. I know they came out recently, so I'm gonna do those next. But other than that, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.